Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. The other day I did a video on this. And so this is part 2, and I started thinking we're going to add one more element to it and use the lens tool. And you can see my lines are still equal. It's just the complete opposite. So if you didn't watch the first part, you want to watch it. So I made a second circle and I put it back on top of that circle. Then I'm going to go to Effects and Lens, and I'm going to go up here to fisheye, and it does that right there. Now, take away the outline, and then let's make it red, and then put a black background on it. Whoop, I had that grouped together. So let's just take another black box, go up to Object, Order, back a page, then you've got that right there. It looks a lot better in yellow, but it's a pretty neat design because the lines are still just opposite because we combined it. So really watch part 1. It was just several days ago, but I'll put a link to that video at the bottom of this video. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.